This is a review of the SMK 19, or I've seen it advertised as SMK XS 19. This is a 177 version. It's got hardwood stock. I won't say it's really cheap, but it don't look, it's obviously not worn out or nothing, so, but it's hardwood. Seems pretty good. This version is 177. It's up to the legal limit, or there, near enough, full power. Plenty to go hunting with. Its weight, without the scope, and without other bits on it, is probably roughly about £6. There, roughly about. The barrel length is 17 inches. But mine has got a silencer on, which I put on myself. So I've cut about this much off and then put the silencer on. And if you buy these standard, you won't get a silencer on it, and you won't get a scope on it. The overall length, before the barrel's been cut and stuff like that, is 43 inches for a 17-inch barrel. Cocking type, this brake barrel, you just cock it like this and then put your pellet in there. This sling has been put on by me as well. These are all things you're going to want to do anyway. It's spring powered, there's a spring in here rather than CO2 or pre-charged pneumatic. Spring's always good. Safety catch here. Forward is fire, backwards is safe. You can get these for roughly about £130. The weight of this gun, with everything I've got on it, is roughly about £6. I'm not sure what they weigh without all the stuff on it, but they're not particularly heavy. They're quite a nice feel of a gun. They're not bad at all. Doesn't feel overly heavy like an Air Arms TX200. Now, to me, they feel very heavy. They're more like £9.